Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable movie button on SONY ZV-1. So take your camera and go to Menu. Now select the last option and go to Operation Customize, then Custom Key Settings, and then go back, Custom Key Settings, and select the last one, it's the movie button. Oh, I'm sorry. And now just please click Not Set to disable it and set something to enable it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.